little friends. It's Mary. Let's sing a song about number 3.
1, 2, 3. Come sing with me. Let's count things so happily. 3 baby chicks go peep, peep, peep. They jump and hop, then fall asleep. Peep, 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 so soft and sweet. 3 baby chicks with tiny feet. Woo! 1, 2, 3, now look and see. 3 happy friends wave joyfully. They dance around and spin with cheer, laughing loud from ear to ear. Woo! 1 does a wiggle, 1 claps fast, 1 gives a hug that's made to last. 1, 2, 3, so fun to be with 3 small kittens in a box. Whee! 1 is gray and 1 is white. 1 has stripes and purrs at night. They tumble, cuddle, nap in a pile. 3 little kittens make you smile. 1, 2, 3, now look up high. 3 bright planes fly through the sky, zooming fast with shiny wings. They loop and glide and do cool things. Red and blue, and 1 is gold. 3 brave planes, strong and bold. 1, 2, 3, so much to see.